Hi there, I'm Giles Coop from Interactive Scape. I'm a developer. Welcome to ISE 2020. We're a small company based in Berlin, Germany, and we make hardware and software interactive multi-touch tables with object recognition. So this is our absolute newest product, the Scape X, and this is a revolution in object recognition technology. This is a capacitive touchscreen. So previously with the object recognition, we needed to have a minimum size, a base, we couldn't do transparent objects, and now suddenly with our new smart screen, we're able to do objects that are only 1.5 millimeters thin, completely transparent, and also much smaller, with also the same capabilities as before, exact rotation tracking, position tracking on the screen, and 24 different IDs, completely transparent. So this tag can be attached to the underside of whatever you desire and is no longer visible when we place it on the screen. This is just a demo of the tracking, but obviously we also provide applications, custom applications and plug and play applications where you can add in your own information, branding, and then can add videos and content to match to each of the products. So that's our Scape X technology. We're Interactive Scape, and you can visit us on interactive-scape.com for all the information, and we have an online web shop as well where you can see all the prices.